Hello guys, good morning. Good morning guys, good morning. How are you guys? How's your morning? Who traded NFP? Who decided to full port? Good so far? That sounds nice. Data high, let's check on 15-minute chart. It's taken. It's taken, guys. Data high taken. Data low over here. Which is, by the way, flat candle. Okay. Data low. Well, guys, bias for today. Just looking at high time frame, if you just start with from Monday, you clearly can see absolutely nothing happened. Absolutely nothing happened this week. Crazy, absolutely crazy. So we're still inside consolidation, and yesterday we traced down back to discount of this high time frame consolidation, and we actually balanced 4-hour fair value gap. Yes, I can see it created daily inversion, but I'm not going to count this as an inversion. So right below this daily fair value gap, we had, I'm sorry guys, 4-hour fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, and we respected this. I can say we even balance this part, entire part of this fair value gap. So right now we retrace up, and yes, as you can see, 50% line on my chart. It's 50% of daily week, and we took daily week, and NQ still below 50% of daily week, but inside hourly fair value gap. So the question is how we can respect 50% of our daily week on ES and hourly fair value gap on NQ, because it feels like barrier for price. And as long as we stay below this level, yeah, this flat candle data low. Let me, by the way, rename this. NFP low. Better to understand this. Give me 1 second. Copy. Paste. So if it's going to break above top of hourly fair value gap, which also 50% of daily week, I would like to see higher. So break above previous day high then. So, but I don't really have, I have no idea what kind of profile, weekly profile right now we have. Honestly, it's like consolidation. And for the day, it's like 50-50, I would say. Bullish. More bullish since we just retrace from discount back to premium. But I would say like 60% bullish, 40% bearish. That's it. So CL, it was trade ideas that I was looking for on CL, like this. Gold, took this trade on gold. My final target was equal bodies. It just reversed like $1 away from this level. So like, well, that's brilliant. Not brilliant, but it is what it is. So CL looks absolutely amazing. Gold looks absolutely not amazing. So on gold, that was my trade. Got in inside 5 minute. It's 1 minute chart, but used entry on 5 minute chart. So as you can see, data low on gold was on micro gold right here. On not on Q, on gold, like Mina. It was at 70. So I decided to take 4 micros off at this level. So basically data low, which was based on gold, not micro gold. But micro gold also was taken. Then I moved my stop loss at this volume imbalance, stopped me out, so that's fine. But final target still, look at NCL. I mean, like, wow. But final target on gold still remains, in my humble opinion, a bit lower. Just ridiculous to see how many, like, let's see, to be more specific. $1 away, that's crazy. I was so disappointed with this. Yeah, CL was amazing, honestly. If CL and gold looks nice, what does this actually mean? Who knows what this means? NQ will be amazing. So once again, NVP low. Let me switch on MNQ right now on NinjaTrader. Yeah, here we go. So once again, data low, which is NVP low. What's wrong with my hair today? No, I mean like nothing. It looks bad. I mean, I slept with wet hair. Maybe it looks like shit right now. Yeah. I like to see this comment like it's really bad, terrible. Yeah. Like don't sleep with wet hair, guys. Girls. It's a bad idea. So we're trying to respect 50% of our fair value gap. It was too late, by the way, because I was putting my kids to bed. I was like, I will wash my hair later, but in reality, it was bad idea. So, respecting 50% of our fair value gap, one more retest of previous week high level, already broke about 50%, going to remove this. So once again, NVP low is flat candle, which I like. But I don't really see any good entries yet. But from what I see, based on, for example, 2-minute model, where is two? We already traded above 9 a.m. open. I cannot say it offered, actually, order block just yet. But come on, guys, it's market maker buy model. Still inside time distortion. Weekly equal. I mean, CL was even better than gold today. Because honestly, I'm always scared to trade two instruments at the same time. I was like, gold, CL, gold, CL. What should I trade, gold or CL? And I decided to trade gold, but in reality, I had to take this CL trade. But I would make with 1 minute same money, so I guess not a big deal. I made $400 there. I could make like 400 right here. Okay, not a big deal, not that painful. So yes, looks more bullish than NQ just right now. We both yes and NQ traded above 9 a.m. open. I cannot say like we got real manipulation below 9 a.m. open, this orange line. So what ideally I would like to see, let me turn on demonstration tool. Come on. Like retest of 9 a.m. open again. Hard to talk about shorts, just like retest of 9 a.m. open over here. By the way, guys, today's giveaway, going to do Starter Plus accounts giveaway with my funded futures. You voted yesterday if I should do my funded futures or TradeZify, and lots of people voted for my funded futures. Then TradeZify is going to be next week. So, not today. Yeah, overall this week, like, ready to say this with confidence, absolutely nothing happened. Just look at forward chart, hourly chart. We moved from discount to premium, from premium to discount. Ugly, unfortunately. But it is what it is. So it's still higher from consolidation and it did absolutely nothing. Once again, yes, right away above 50% of daily week, slowly going to previous day high level, but 50% of daily week on NQ right here. At the top of hourly fair value gap. Yeah, CL is still moving. That's absolutely crazy. So let's see from where I want to enter. Only $1 move, so okay, it looks more painful right now. Weekly equal high staking should offer the action soon. Yeah, of course, that's free indicator ready to share with you, so nothing to hide. How can I about this indicator? I was like, why I cannot see this? So yesterday, my team model play out again during PM session. Who took this? I saw lots of people took this. Who mentioned me on Twitter? Who took yesterday 2-minute model? It was brilliant, 60 points short. Yeah, amazing, right? Yeah. Remember, we were aiming for previous day low yesterday, and I was annoyed because it just took so much time to get this previous day low level that normally takes during AM session. But they decided to do absolutely nothing during AM session and drop to previous day low level during PM session. I was like, amazing, as always. Normal picture for NQ recently. But since I was confident with my bias, short was kind of A++++ for me. I noticed like lots of people take lots of losing trades during AM session and stop trading for the day. But in reality, best option is to trade PM session when AM is choppy. Like don't trade AM at all. If you see like nothing, but you want to press the button, like let's say buy or sell, don't do this. I know like there's app, just download this app where there's just 2 buttons, like buy and sell. If you want to press this, just download this app. So today base hit already for me. I traded gold. I'm happy, absolutely happy. So I took this trade on gold. It was my final target. As you can see, I gold said like, not today, Dasha. Your final target not going to hit today. But in reality, still looking for this level. If my hit is equal bodies. But once again, I took the entire move down right here, and my just one micro, which was runner, stepped out right here, so I was in profit anyway. My base hit already, so no complaints about this. But NQ, let's see. So I recently prefer to trade pre-market, don't trade AM session, and trade PM session NQ. Because in my humble opinion, NQ moves during PM session, amazing, brilliant, textbook. Oh, by the way, if you want to talk about gold short, I can actually talk about this. Idea of the short was based on hourly sweep right here, right? So with this candle over here, let me turn on the demonstration tool. With this candle over here, what happens? They fail to take this high, which means this sweep still valid. I was like, obviously not going to blend the short. But then I switched on 5-minute chart and saw this order block formed. I did not take this short initially because I was so late. It's like was 8 a.m. I wasn't at home, so I mean like I was busy before this time, so I was like, okay, I miss this. Probably. But what happened at 9:30 a.m. when we got data like NFP, we got moved down to final targets that was looking for this short. Then it retraced up again. But what happened? They failed to take this high again. So basically, they're still trading inside 5-minute OB. And I was like, so they're still trying to trade inside this 5-minute OB. I was waiting for the open of next candle, 5-minute candle, entered short. So once again, I did not trade 1-minute chart. I traded 5-minute chart. And I put my stop loss at the entry that was initial entry, which is about 50% of 1-minute OB. Shorted to data low. Final target was equal bodies over here. Basically, this one. It was so close, a bit painful. It failed to hit this level, but it is what it is. So, got my trade. 30-minute was I mean, yeah, we got sweep. Let me open 3-minute chart to check this. Simply to trade 30-minute chart, maybe, but 3-minute chart looks ugly. So most of the time I execute 5-minute chart, like 99 0.9% of the time I execute 5-minute chart on gold. Yeah, I saw this fight between Elon and Trump. It was kind of crazy. This perfect comment right now. CL went through the roof exactly because no one is going to buy Tesla anymore. I'm going to be only the buyer, I guess so. So as you can see, still going higher. Previous day high taken on ES, 50% of daily week taken on NQ. So previous day high. Let's see. So hard for me to aim for previous day high because still wallet hourly fair value gap. A 33. I would not say 30 and 3-minute chart was nice. Honestly, it was choppy. Maybe it's me, but in my humble opinion, there is nothing over here to execute. I mean, 5-minute chart was better. Link to indicator. Which indicator you would like to get? Oh, high time frame candles. Oh, of course. All indicators that you can see right now on my chart is free to use. Just for your information, so everyone can afford these indicators. Just change the colors if you don't like red and green, because I don't really like this. Still don't understand how people use red candles because it's like hurts my eyes. Why talking? Oh my god! Why I always had to prove something? Sorry about hindsight. I just took this short. If you asking, if you're talking about gold right now, it's not in hindsight. If I talk about in hindsight, I always say it's hindsight. But I actually took this trade. Just for your information. But most of the time when I talk about trades that already happened, I was in this trade. So no reason to talk about trades that already happened without entering this trade. If you scroll up about SMT indicator, just scroll up. I sent link before. Accent from it's Russian accent. Oh, you're welcome. You found this? So 15 minutes left, 14 minutes left on this hourly candle. So let's see if we invert this. Because above previous day high level, I have daily OB, and that's my top for this week. I don't expect higher than daily OB. Oh, let's see, guys. Let's see. So going to remove 50% since it's taken as well. So basically, we inside the rejection block so far. Exactly. So forget about retracements. Just straight move ups. Move up, right? Most of the time. So, I was trying to, like, don't hate me for using indicators. I will show you daily order block in a moment. So don't hate me to use indicators because I got comment on Twitter. I don't remember who it was, but he or she said, like, why you use indicators? Next message was like, I don't use indicators and you don't need to use indicators as well. I was like, if you don't use indicators, then okay, I'm happy for you. Like, I don't need to make my life so hard if I can use indicator. Like, what's wrong with this? But the comment was like, I don't use indicator and you don't need to use this as well. I was like, oh, thank you. I was asking your advice before. Daily order block. Daily OB is right here. So basically a sequence of these up close candles. But about SMT indicator, I was trying to use several SMT indicators available on TradingView, and this one right here. Why use indicators? Yeah, that's a great question. This indicator at least shows us in real time. Once we got swing, it's going to show you SMT, which I like. It's like not with huge delay. So daily order block, there's 3 up close candles. So I didn't use this week because big week highlighted only bodies. Same order block on ES, still slightly higher than on NQ. So yeah, when it's extremely bullish, every single bearish PD is going to be invalidated. But you know, this is in deep premium, so I can expect reaction. Maybe not huge reaction, but still can expect reaction. So I'm going to keep this on my chart anyway. But obviously, all-time high is all-time high is obvious target for market maker. Buy model. You think the name is going to be continuation of 950 macro? Let's see. 5-minute OB. Oh, that's actually crazy. So since we got SMT and 5-minute change in the state of derivative, we never got any retracement. So that's tricky to see. So makes sense to retrace slightly. I hope so. Or forget about retracement on NQ. What is retracement? Like, why even asking for retracement? So stupid to ask for retracement. Oh, no. Giveaway is not done yet. So it's going to be a bit later. So I will post the link in 40 minutes at 10:30 normally. So you will see pinned message in the chat. So didn't run giveaway just for now. Chill, they will be perfect 10 a.m. power of 3 setup. Did you see lots of perfect power of 3 setups during 10 a.m. recently? I cannot say this honestly. It's all mine. Yeah. I wish you good luck, by the way. So we have SMT at previous day high level. It's still like 100 points away from previous day high on NQ. Let's see if we get retracement. Looking for retracement. How to enter giveaway? I will post Google form just a bit later today. You'll just need to fill this form and you're all set. That's it. It's going to be pretty easy. So pretty much balanced black over here. So we don't have any imbalances, lots of immediate rebalances. So yeah, let's wait for 10 a.m. Maybe silver bullet. Settings for, of course, it's not a problem at all. It's not a problem at all. Depends what we can do before 10. Because I can say, like, for example, I would like to see slightly higher, for example, somewhere near previous day high level, but this can happen next 2-3 minutes and that's it. So no reason to talk about the direction for silver bullet just yet. Those 9 a.m. Yes, I took short on gold. I already showed this before, so you can see at the beginning of stream. Trying to understand what kind of leg I would like to use for projections. Since we got hourly sweep right here, I guess I would like to use this as swing low, and I will use probably this leg as projection, manipulation leg to pull projections. I guess I would like to use this. Since we got swing low over there. And same on ES. Oh, yes, hit force and deviation already. Okay. You still hold on sell? I mean, I could hold the sell as well, but it stopped me out and profit over here, so unfortunately. I'll show you in 1 minute chart. So I wasn't this short. I took short from here. My final target was right here. So I mean, I don't mind to see previous day low level, but I was a bit more conservative. They stopped me out and I took 75% off over here, and my runner stopped at this volume balance, so I just trailed my stop loss. I was so confident they're going to take this level, but they failed. Stupid. Hated. But it is what it is. Still would like to see equal bodies, so it was my draw, and still seems like good draw for on liquidity rate. Set alert. I'm pretty confident they will take this level. Where's your target? You aiming for previous day low level? It's not a big deal. So I was looking for previous day low level as well, but I was looking for, once again, for conservative level. And I saw we got like on 5-minute chart. We got, see this like equal bodies over here, like not really equal, but still. Lots of wicks. And I was like, I'm not going to aim for liquidity here. I'm going to aim for like rejection block, right? So 33 is 64.5. So if you want to like close some or at least trail your stop loss, you can trail your stop loss at this price level. Of course, if you can hit this. I hope we are going to hit this, but that was obvious target in real time. Even right now. Oh, you want to see, like, okay, yeah, I got it. So yeah. Mm-hmm. Makes sense. I'm sorry, guys. So I'm going to keep my 9 a.m. open on my chart because once again, I don't want to see price trading near 9 a.m. open again because I don't really see manipulation below 9 a.m. just for now. Let's see if my retest 9 a.m. Open again, 761. If may, that's going to be okay. Good to see this. 57 sweep. Oh yeah, I mean, even if lower than 64.5, 57 is fine. So it's like previous day low level, a bit lower than previous day low level. Yeah, it works. Agree with you. I will record the video how I trade gold, guys, if you want, because I trade gold a bit more different from NQ. Good morning. No, we just traded. I traded gold only. So on NQ, I'm waiting for silver bullet, and ideally, I would like to see the test of 9 a.m. open. Just need to drop like 50 points. Is possible? I know. Like, let's see. Completely balanced leg over here to consider inversions or something like this. Just OB. It's not even propulsion over here. Someone asked me about first percent free value gap. I just forget about this, obviously. I don't know, like, ideally, I would like to see something like this in my perfect world. Oh no, I never been there before. I cannot select which trade into first present fair value gap just yet because we just touched the top. Let's see, maybe we traded this fair value gap. Guys, don't hate me. I'm going to use two fair value gaps. Too small for me. Oh, you like flat candle, which is NFP low. I mean, I also do like this, but I saw many times when we have extremely bullish market or bearish market, they simply leave this flat candle for the next week, next day. There is old untapped 15-minute fair value gap above. What's the price, if you don't mind me to ask? I will just put the line on my chart. Thank you, guys. Thank you. 870. Okay, I got it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You're still struggling, still more bullish than Q, as said before. You should probably do it. Yeah, exactly. So, yeah. Sometimes best decisions inverts the chart. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was deleted 50% of daily week from my chart because it already was taken. But I had it. Nice comment. Like, I entered long on one account and showed another account. Wish me luck. I mean, I wish you good luck. If it's not trade and drawdown, you should be okay. At least on one account. I saw the case when the guy blue account when he decided to long and short at the same time because of trading drawdown. It was crazy. Yeah, bias mostly bullish because we inside high frame market maker buy model. Since we just inside second stage, which is time distortion. So it's just crazy. Crazy. Gold, yeah, hate it, but on gold, it was my final TP. That's it. I mean, if you want to leave the runner, of course, you can leave the runner to the top of daily fair value gap, which is 3357.20, just for runner, or you can trail your stop loss at this swing high right here. Simply leave this runner to this level. Yeah. I took only this move over here. Hate to see this picture. I hate it. I hate it so much. So once again, just if you right now is still in short, just trail your stop loss at swing highs, and you can aim for daily fair value gap. Better than Q? Not even question. Like, no, don't even ask me about this. Steam Lab, because when you probably you type like first presented fair value gap with dots. I don't know like why Steam Lab doesn't like dots. Yeah, crazy. I will post Google form at 10:30 in 27 minutes. CL still running? CL, are you serious? Guys, I will record the video how I trade gold and CL because it's a bit different approach than I trade on Q. If you're interested in this, I will do this. It's good. It's going to be quick, like short video about this because I trade CL and gold completely different. But also easy concept, so just order blocks. That's it. I mean, I trade in Q also order blocks. I don't use fair value gaps at all. But I will record the video anyway just to show you how I trade gold and CL because it's a bit different. I don't use 2-minute chart. I don't go lower than 5 minutes on gold and CL. Only 5-minute charts. For some reason, like I hate to trade 1-minute chart on gold and CL. I don't know why, but time distortion, exactly right. Yes, we inside time distortion right now. And overall, I didn't mind to see like break below distortion low to go higher, but yeah, I will show exactly how I trade gold. I mean, how I execute gold with examples of my executions if you want, because I have these executions in my journal. So going to copy and paste them. I just, guys, if I need to open 1-minute chart and compare this with 5-minute chart to execute, for example, short on gold, I will never, ever execute a short that I took this morning on gold on 1-minute chart because it wasn't obvious at all. For some reason. I mean, the place where I executed wasn't obvious on 1-minute chart, but it was obvious on 5-minute chart. You know, guys, I hate to say like, for example, when we have like pre-NFP, pre-FOMC price action as low probability, because always there is opportunity, right? So I hate to talk about like low probability. But once again, when you see like NQ or US consolidating, what is the problem to trade different market? Same candlesticks. No one ask you to trade like huge moves, like 5% of the I know, like all the range, right? No one. So just trade different market. For example, like okay, the CL trade. Imagine it's not CL. Would you? It's 5-minute chart. Would you long this? Probably yes. But because it's CL, and like you probably want to tell me, I don't know how to trade CL, but I would not take this trade. But if it was in Q, probably you would take this trade. Different scam. But in reality, guys, just focus on candlesticks. Forget you trade CL. Forget you trade gold. Forget you trade like euro, for example, HO, silver, what else? YM, ES, and Q. Just focus on candlesticks. You have high time frame, you have lower time frame. What would you do, for example? Like since it's consolidation right now on NQ, let's talk about this trade over here. Guys, when you see the picture like this, I'm not going to open high time frame candle, but imagine it's not CL. Like, you don't know what kind of instrument is this. Just focus on price action. You have 30-minute chart over here. You have hourly chart over here. What would you do? What is your step right now? CL is oil, so. Like, what is your next step? When you see, like, for example, hourly chart like this, what would you do with this information? What is your step? Who can share with me? No, like we already know it pumped, like it's okay. But what was your step? For example, right now you see you opened like hourly chart. Don't focus right now on this. You see hourly chart just for now. What would you do with this information? I will show you exactly same example right now on gold, and I will ask exactly same question. Guys, talk with me. So I would like to see your opinion. No one will talk with you like I do this every single day. Like, okay, you woke up, like, morning routine, perfect. Right now you open your computer and you see this chart. What do you want to do? We'll talk about giveaway later. Let's focus right now on price action. Let's talk about this. So I don't need to like, you will not ask me next time, so you'll understand this. So right now, guys, you see daily candle. I swear to God, how I talk with you, no one talks with you like I do this. Because no one cares. Trust me. Just trust me. Good. I see good. Yeah. Yeah, good answers. So right now on hourly right here, for example, I see we got retracement down and what it offered. It offered fair value gap. I think like, okay, what my next step? I will see how next candle will play. So what this means, how we can respect this hourly fair value gap. Um, so how I want to trade this? It's going to be a bit risky, a bit aggressive, but idea is, so since it offered hourly fair value gap right here, I would like to see how we can respect this. So basically, we are going to trade into this fair value gap with potential sweep. We cannot say for sure, but we can confirm this potential sweep. I'm going to explain how. So for example, we already know, it's not in hindsight, by the way, this trade was discussed with my husband, so he can say like it was not in hindsight. So because this morning I asked him like, should I long exactly right here or should I short gold? And I decided like gold better. So once again, fair value gap right here. And as you can see, we traded into this fair value gap. So basically candle opened with big wick right here with immediate reaction. So how can confirm this potential sweep? Because we cannot know for sure if it's going to be potential sweep or not. So by order block. He has not option Dasha. Remember how he talked with us yesterday, like lots of 6 numbers? I was like, what are you doing? Should I divorce him? Right after this? I hope he's not watching right now. So he probably, okay, if you're watching right now, type 6. Let us know if you're here. So once again, how can I confirm potential sweep by order block? It's not him. By order block. So once again, I'm going to draw just for you right now to show you can do this with just time frame using time frame alignment. So we got candle. Let's say don't close candle. He's not watching probably. He could type 6 already a long time ago. Okay. It's good. By the way, it's going to be cool insight right now. So how can I confirm the sweep, for example, hourly? But on 4 chart, it's going to be exactly the same, but on 15-minute chart. So we got sweep, potential sweep. I'm going to switch right now on 5-minute chart and I would like to see if it offered 5-minute order block after I anticipate to get potential sweep. So after this, I switch on 5-minute chart. And once again, what I see, let me extend this. So what I see, potential sweep. And do we have closure above sequence of the done close candles? Yes, we have it. So we got the closure right here. And I was like, it was annoying this morning because I talked with my husband saying like, I hate when we have displacement and like order block like this. And I said like, probably I'm going to trade gold at this point, but I need to enter the trade at the open of this candle with stop loss below order block, which is swing low right here. And my idea is to aim for 2R like usual. And once again, this sweep still not confirmed until we get a new hourly candle. But since we got 5-minute OB, right now it's already potential it's potential sweep. So we got the closure. So of course, we can get the retracement down and I still can be in this trade. So I don't care. Like preferable to get, of course, preferable to get the retracement, but not always happens. So we got swing right here. It's still my stop loss. So never retraced. So okay, let's say I miss this trade. As you can see, I have another trade idea. So we got minor like retracement pullback. I took gold, so it was exactly the same time. So I decided to trade gold. So it was the same time as you can see. So I picked gold for my trade. Showed executions before. So once again, but it was in real time. So I even shared some trade ideas in my group before. But not going to talk about this. So idea was like potential sweep, 5-minute order block confirms this, entry right here. But let's say I miss this. We got the closure above this candle that offered pullback. So I will wait probably for the tracing back to this candle, which we got, to get potential continuation. So once again, it's not in hindsight. Let me show you screenshot. So when I was looking for re-entry, it was like trade idea before. So once again, not in hindsight, it was posted as you can see before this happened. So we got pulled back to this order block. I was looking for the continuation higher, but I don't really like this. Give me 1 second. Why? Because risk reward is a bit like ugly, like 1.5. Yeah, prefer to have 2R, but still. Idea is to trade potential sweeps or sweeps, but most of the time you will trade potential sweeps. Risky, but once we got order block, you fine. Yeah, guys, as I said, if you right now in this short, I highly recommend to think about closing your trade, not financial advice. For example, what I saw this morning on, let's talk about gold. So because I took trade on gold, let me extend this line. So see exactly the same sweep right here. Obviously, we want to trade like once we got confirmed sweep, but I don't really do this, honestly. Oh, you did it? Stop below, you're asking for CL. Stop below next swing low, which was right here. This swing low, stop loss. So it's not going to be right here anymore. We got new OB. Oh, I would say very risky to put stop loss right here, but find another swing low, like right here. This is what I was looking for. Okay, talking about gold right now. Nothing happened on NQ. What is going on? I hate it so much. So we got SIP, that's 30-minute chart, that's hourly chart right here. I was like, okay, if it's going to be 5-minute OB, I will enter the trade, right? So what we got right here? We got sweep, price did absolutely nothing right here, retraced again, offered new order block right here, because since we got sequence of this up close candles, kind of hard to execute this, like wait for order block, because order block, like end of this order block is going to be in discount. I don't like it. So we got a new OB after it failed to take this high. I was so late to enter the trade right here. I was like, okay, not going to lie, I missed this short right here. But I entered right here. I'm going to show executions again if you don't trust me for some reason. And let's talk about this over here. So this huge VIX, it was NVP, like NVP. And we got, like, it went to my target that I was initially wanted to aim for. But once again, I missed this trade. But what happened with this week up? It failed to take this high again. So what this means? We simply tested this 5-minute OB and continue going higher. I was like, that's 1-minute chart. Don't pay attention on this. I would see if we closed back inside this range. And yes, we closed, and I will enter at the open of next candle. So I was obviously a bit late with entry by a couple of cents, but entered at, let's say, at the open of this candle. I was just a bit delayed with my entry. Let's see. That's 5-minute chart. Let's see if I entered actually there. Yeah, I was late. Like, don't pay attention on this. So I entered at this candle. Stop loss was at the entry that I was aiming for initially, like wants to enter initially, and 50% of this week. Target was data low, and final target was this equal bodies, as you can see over here. I didn't want to aim for previous day low level because we got lots of weeks. Sometimes it's tricky. And you know what is annoying? How they failed right here. I was like, no. And as you can see, just going to switch right now on 1-minute chart to show you. Data low on gold and micro gold was different. So I took my 4 micros off at data low, which was based on gold. On micro gold, it was like 70 cents lower. And my final target was right here. It failed for some stupid magical reason. And I closed my, like, just one runner right here at this volume imbalance. Hate it, honestly. Hate it so much. Ideally, I can say like my entry was amazing overall, but okay. But still, hourly sweep, 5-minute OB. That's what I trade. I don't trade lower than 5-minute chart, but I trade potential sweeps. That's it. So, no complaints. Base hit, so I'm fine. But still, could make more than what I made. But still, I'm happy base hit at least. This is how I trade gold. Like if I like quick review NCL, I trade potential sweeps with 5-minute order blocks. I don't use fair value gaps. I don't really use OT retracements. But if you trade twin setup, you can trade this on CL. I didn't backtest this on gold. But once again, I just try to trade hourly sweeps and 5-minute order blocks. And right here, that was the reason why I took this trade. So sweep, potential sweep, 5-minute OB, retracement to this order block, continuation. A bit annoying, but it is what it is. And as you can see, strictly 2R, not more, not less, 2R. That was the trade that I took. I hope it makes sense. You can try to trade this as well. Like for 15 minutes, nothing happened. Thank you, God. I'm done for the day. Yeah, I just showed executions like 1 minute ago. Yeah, it was taken this morning. Not in hindsight, once again. Not hindsight trade. It's like time frame alignment, exactly the same how people use, for example, high time frame PDRA, lower time frame market maker model. So it's if you didn't know like how market maker model works, for example. Yes, I'm cheating on NQ. About to divorce. But actually trade NQ during PM session. It's like time frame alignment. For example, let's say we traded into daily fair value gap, and the reaction will be market maker model on lower time frame. I talk about this in my market maker model video. So like daily, for example, hourly 4-hour chart, for example, 15-minute hourly chart, 5-minute chart, and so on. I don't use kill zones, guys. I don't even use like kill zone liquidity levels. I don't use session liquidity levels. I use like swing points, and that's it. That's it. So I try to keep this simple. So no kill zones, nothing like this. 5-minute, 15-second. I would not say like 15-second. Probably 30-second, 1-minute chart, but 15-second is too much. I would say. I mean, I show executions on Twitter. If you want to check my PM session trades, just go on my Twitter. I shared this execution there of my shorts. My entries on 5-minute chart only. Not really manipulation, only waiting for order block. Order block confirmed, I'm in this trade. Not confirmed, I'm going to wait for order block to be confirmed. That's it. Try to keep this simple. For some reason, I cannot do exactly the same on NQ because I feel like NQ very manipulated. In my opinion, it's so hard to find like obvious A plus 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 setup on Q recently. I mean, PM doesn't look bad, but on gold, if I want to compare gold CL and NQ, like no questions about this. How to enter giveaway? I will post link in 7 minutes at 10:30. I like gold, honestly. I was extremely profitable a couple of months ago on gold and silver CL. But then I stopped trading golds, like come back to NQ, and it was bad decision, honestly, because when I come back to decided to come back to NQ, I barely took any trades. Like Okay, it's still going in our favor. So as we wanted to see before, can we go there? I don't know, like CL. I know, like if I want to compare NQ, CL, gold, and any other different instruments, CL is easiest instrument to trade. It's not manipulated. It's like classic ICT on CL most of the time. 99% of the time, classic ICT on CL. What I don't like on gold, like I hate so much huge retracements because I had like I have lots of examples when it just retraced to my break even when it didn't have to retrace there, but it retraced to break even and went in my favor. Like on gold doesn't make any sense to move stop loss at break even at all. It's either stop loss or take profit. That's it. Hate huge retracements on gold so much, but happens all the time. I just said, like, I don't trade gold same as NQ. No, completely different. And how I trade this explained this 5 minutes ago. Because I wish NQ could move up like easy as well as in Q, not in Q, gold and CL. Like I see sweep, I see 5 minute OB, like enter, and I need to have like stress, heart attack, like panic attack to sit in this trade. Maybe they want to manipulate again. But when I trade in Q, I feel like my heartbeat is around like 300. I feel absolutely nothing when I trade gold, as well as CL. Like no stress at all. But when I trade in Q, I even can like feel this. Like like if not enough stress in your life, trade in Q. Yeah, I will do video, of course. Yeah, see? Almost never I can feel calm when I trade in Q. I don't know why. It's not coffee, it's like just tea. How to say? Oh, okay, of course. Like, yeah, if not enough stress in your life, I need to like create maybe t-shirt for this trade in Q. If you have kids, but if you feel it's like not enough, in Q, try. It works so nice. Gold still dropping? Gold, where are you going? I'm just asking, just trying to understand. I don't have levels lower. I mean, I have some sort of fair value gap lower. But oh, you want tutorials? What level do we have on tutorials? That seems like a lot to drop. Like untapped fair value gap. Like untapped fair value gap. Seems like I was only looking for daily fair value gap this morning. That's it. Mm. Oh, hourly order block. Okay. Yeah, I didn't expect to see like that much. So that's why I recommend to like make sure to close position somewhere inside daily fair value gap. That was what I was looking for this morning. Yeah, gold target reach. That's it. So honestly, I didn't expect to see lower, but this gray box, I guess it's if it's going to break this level, I have no idea where we go at this point. Cash imbalance at once. I mean, that's a lot to drop. Oh, you mean we go here? Where was my entry? It was 90, around 90. So we already dropped like 50 points from my entry. Mm, painful. And I got only like 9 points because of my Because of my partial, my runner stopped in profit like $5 probably. Oh, absolutely amazing chart. Absolutely amazing. It looks so good. Tradable. Like, of course. Tradable. Dropped only 50 points. I know it looks huge, but it's in reality. It's ugly. 70 points. Okay. It was a trick. Yeah. Seems like hourly closed. Hourly candle closed inside hourly fair value gap. Even right now, it's a scam, guys. They even didn't take 9 a.m. open. I love it. That's because of my arrows. I don't like this. Crazy. Guys, I'm going to post the link right now. Absolutely amazing price action. So, where is Google Form that I created for you? Oh, right here. Okay. Guys, posting the link right now for form. Google Form to enter giveaway. It's same link, just in case you cannot see the link. I posted 7 times. Yeah, remember this when we got? I remember it was crazy. Like 1 minute candle was 100 points. Stop loss was only 300 points. Yes, I traded gold this morning. I already discussed this before. Like got short right here. Small trade seems like got 9 points and my runner stopped and profit. So could be better, but it is what it is. Are you German? No, not really. I mean, by the way, my grandparents live in Germany, but I'm not. What's the problem to take 9 a.m. open? Extremely manipulated market, so. Yeah, from Belarus, by the way. Yeah. Yes, the inverted just presented for a value gap with huge displacement. So let's see if price may retrace somewhere right here. We got huge liquidity void. If it's going to fail, take 9 a.m. open, should retrace, I believe. Why my Apex disconnected? Again. I wish you good luck, guys. So I'm going to post the link. Guys, if you just joined, fill the form to enter giveaway. And I wish you good luck. Take it easy because today is Friday. It's still high time from consolidation. Just for your information, this week absolutely nothing happened. Absolutely nothing happened. So about gold, you will see this kind of opportunities to enter the trade. For example, yesterday I traded based on this. 2 days ago I traded PM session, not PM, it was Asia. 9 a.m., 9 p.m. Trade based on this. Potential I receive 5-minute OB. But if you just backtest this, you will see how potential sweeps confirmed by 5-minute OB plays amazing. It's so well. Sometimes, of course, it's going to be less, but nothing works 100% of the time. But it works, and you can trade this. That's it. um, are you talking about NQ or low time frame or gold? No, I didn't go lower than 5-minute chart. I mean, that's it. I mean, I can look for potential like lower stop loss on lower time frame, for example. Like it's different. So, like over market structure, you can see swing points on lower time frame, like 1-minute chart, 2-minute chart, 5-minute chart is going to be the same. So yeah, basically, if you're talking about market structure, like lower low, higher high, higher low, lower high, then yes, you can go like on lower time frame to just consider trend. Just for trend. Yes, you can. My answer, yes. Then 1 hour immediate rebalance, traded in, not really traded into this 1-minute inversion for a value gap just yet. Scam. This is scam. Honestly. Guys, I will record the video, so probably it will help you. As our protected low, it was right here. Wait a minute. It was broken. So yeah, it broken. Looks so scammy right now. Don't ask me why I don't trade AM session. I will save my money for PM session. It's Friday, maybe for Monday, maybe for Sunday. But looks ugly. But if yeah, preferably closure, but once we broke, like it's already breaking structure, not like strong, but still once preferable to have the closure. Yeah, so basically it's sweep. But once again, protected low broken, but I cannot say right now we inside bearish structure just yet. Overall, see this? It still seems more bullish than bearish, and seems like reaction from 2 and 2.5 to 1 and 1.5. I mean, yes, we broke protected low, but I cannot say we got change in order flow to downside just yet. Just yet. Yes, you're right about this. Yeah. Looks stupid, honestly, but don't ask me why I switch trading gold and different markets. So just not worth to waste my time on NQ anymore. I mean, I'm focused on NQ every single PM session, and next month I will stream PM session 2-3 times a week. So to trade this with you guys. Let's highlight 50% of this, probably propulsion block, because I believe we're expecting this. Not yet. So I would say I would like to see at least 821 the test. Because if it's going to close above this level over here, should go higher again. Yeah, still inside first presented very well gap. I mean inversion already. Recaps. Yeah, next month I'm going to trade exactly the same as I trade right now PM session but on stream. But yeah, I can do the caps as well. Guys, give me one moment. And here again, nothing happened. Well, guys, I'm going to post link again for giveaway. If you just joined, enter this, fill this form. Sorry, guys, I'm going to post several times. Do you have full strategy video? Yes, of course, on my YouTube. I can post the link, but you can go on my channel and you will find my videos. So actually, covered everything I know. Don't sell any information. I even cover it with backtest results, not like saying this strategy works 70% of the time. No, attach my backtest results, almost 300 trades taken. Nothing too short, honestly, yet. Why I want to short? What's the point? What's the reason behind the short? Absolutely nothing. Especially seems like expansion, consolidation, expansion, retracement. I mean, the 2-minute OB. I didn't miss this. We don't have order block just yet. Nope. Miss nothing. Bearish order block? Where? Never trust order block inside consolidation, guys. That's not best decision. For scalp, yes, but that's it. Imagine being in the short. I mean, like, just if, for example, I shorted this, lots of stress, right? Like, you never know where we can retrace again. Look at the yes right now, guys. See this low resistance? Basically, right now, biggest specs in trend line. You know, unfortunately, when you look at high time frame, for example, 1 hour chart, like, okay, question. Looking at 1 hour chart, just right now, would you short this? Just like right now. Imagine that's 1 minute chart. Just 1 minute chart right now. Would you short this? Ignore. It's not a 1 hour chart. You don't know what kind of time frame is this. You have no idea. Would you short this? Just question. Why? Why you short to lower time frames then? Okay, what confirmation you need to have? Enter and pray, right? But do you agree with me? Just looking at this price action, just like imagine that's 1 minute chart. Why should I short this? Like why? One reason? Simply because I want? Yeah, it may work. Simply because I want to do this. Yeah, it may work. Okay, let's do top-down analysis right now. Oh, so lot. Okay, let me open MNQ. I hate to have lots of drawings. Always hard to understand where we're going. Well, we got 15-minute sweep. We traded into the swing low. We closed inside our hourly bearish fair value gap. And that's it. I mean, short scalp possible since we... That's it. Like overall low resistance to downside, you're talking about this one? Overall, yes, you're right. And if it's going to be, when it's going to be ready to drop, you know what will happen? It will be huge. When it's ready to drop. As I said before, it wasn't really break of structure to downside. It's still bullish structure because simply we got sweep of a protected low. It wasn't really like break of structure to downside. Structure was still more bullish. Like it wasn't enough for me. It's not really enough to say like we got a change in order flow to downside. But once again, consider, yes, you're right about low resistance to downside, and yes, this is low resistance. And once market's ready to drop, like let's get at least some confirmations for this. Drop will be huge. Like huge. Huge. Can it happen on Friday? I know, like probably not. But this market not predictable. Recently. Yeah, it will be huge, but the question when it happen can happen next week. Do we have any important news next week? What's going? Let me open Forex Factory to check this. To check this next week. Okay, CPI. Next week CPI. CPI, PPI. Okay, Monday, Tuesday is going to be garbage probably. CPI. So can we drop? Depends on what we can get, what results we are going to get. But you're right about low resistance, and drop will be huge if we get this. But considering use. Such a big table chart right here. I'm not trying to talk about free fall today. You know, since height frame consolidation, all I expected to get, I already said it before. Let me open NQ again. Was this orange line. They scammed us, all us. So as you can see, they were like 2 points away from this level. So all I expected to get this orange line. That's it. So I don't know what kind of profile we can get at this point. Just garbage. Ridiculous. Illegal. Scam. So but looks more bullish. Look how we closed above 50% over here and retested. That's bullish sign in my humble opinion. That's it. Just when we have consolidation, always, absolutely always, and always hard to frame set up inside this garbage consolidation. But 872 is 15-minute fair value gap. So initially I was watching for I already deleted, but I was watching for this move. That's it for today. Random Friday expansion out of from nowhere. Exactly. So that's perfect weekly profile. Let me screenshot this. So we will have new weekly profile. crazy. Oh my god. Guys, 12 guys, 12 more minutes to enter giveaway. Giveaway link. You force me to open this again. Okay. If you just joined, here's the giveaway link. So fill the form. Good luck. No, giveaway not done yet. Fill the form first. And you will be done. You know, on gold, I don't know, like, it's already respected all my levels. Let's see. I'm not going to delete this. I would say I really need to get the change in structure right here to anticipate the retracement higher. I would not touch this just for now, honestly. If I want to long, I don't really want to long just yet. With closure, maybe. How do you draw this profile on your chart? Great question. I will tell you the secret. We have SMT on both sides. Isn't that amazing? So tradable, brilliant. Yeah, I do use inversions, especially for time distortion. So basically, can I say this really time distortion? Yeah, actually I can say this. So if you're talking about inversion right here, like this, maybe I would like to see this one because we already broke about 50% of this OB. And see how we respected 50%. So maybe it's going to look like this. And once again, I did not expect to see like big move up today. So I don't know like how far we can go if it wants to pump. Like previous day high level, maybe daily OB, but it's Friday, so I don't know if it's going to happen today. 5 minute silver bullet, okay. No, I contacted them, so I will let you know. So I will post a link for playbook again, just maybe next week if you don't mind. So 10 a.m. This month's not yet, but remember what I said in the video. If 10 a.m. failed to offer, 1 p.m. will offer. So we traded 1 p.m. almost every single day this month. I traded like 3 times this week, 100%. I don't remember if I took any trades on Monday or Tuesday because I traded Wednesday. No, I traded Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 1 p.m. Model. Yeah, remember what I said. If not 10 a.m., then 1 p.m. Yeah, it's better. So I traded this Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and it was winners. Didn't trade this on Monday because I don't remember what happened on Monday. But I believe I didn't take this. You know what? Why we don't have this 10 a.m.? Because 10 a.m. mostly consolidation. And invalidation based on my video is time distortion. Time distortion is consolidation. We don't want to take trades. Simple as that. So it's 10 a.m. Consolidation. Stay away. Lots of SMTs, you know. Lots of SMTs. So Guys, I'm going to remove some levels because it's really hard to see what I have on my chart. I'm so sorry about this. This what makes sense to me, but on the consolidation makes this a bit more tricky. Winners at 11 a.m. What we have on ES? Let's check real quick. Nothing. So at 11, I'm going to announce winners and going to be done for the week. Next week, I will do some giveaways again. It's going to be Tradify, and I'm going to do 3 accounts giveaway, each type of account, like advanced, growth, and straight to funded account for Tradify. And maybe my funded teachers again. I don't have this in my schedule, but maybe. How do you enter? Fill this form. Click just one link, it's the same link. Yeah, I need to like make a note right here, somewhere right here, answering all questions. Like, not 17. From Belarus. Yes, I do have kids. So, like note right here. Yeah, and husband. Somewhere right here. Time for the girl. I'm child free, so just realize it's too late. Nope. I would close this as well. But yeah, nice to talk with you guys. Just every single IM session last 4 weeks is like this. Annoying, yeah, annoying. But just for information, no trades for this IM session on Q. Brilliant chart. You're so focused. Nothing to trade, so I mean, only setups they can see so far is still low probability, in my opinion, is right here. But I'm not ready to take this because it's consolidation. You never know what can happen. So I'm not ready to take this. Honestly, I'm ready to say this. Normally, I don't say this, but it's garbage. Unfortunately, absolutely garbage price action. Well, guys, I will announce winners in 2 minutes. That's why I'm sitting here. If you found model that works, don't watch any other videos. Just stick to this model. Yeah, just highly recommend. Focus on on one model. Because from my bad experience can say when you watch one model, then another model, then another model, then another model, another model, you will never ever find any entry. Don't make your life harder, just trust me. Keep this simple. Because it's so hard to forget about what you already know. 2022 model is for 2022. Yeah. Why didn't, of course, remember invalidation in my video? Time distortion is invalidation. So here is time distortion. Right now, I just ready to forward this, but since I backtested 300 trades, I already know that my losing trades were inside distortion, and here's distortion. I know if I'm going to try, most likely it's going to be not great results, most likely. Then how can we recognize time distortion? Second stage of the accumulation redistribution. Right now, it's second stage of the accumulation. Clearly, because I wouldn't say we hit important level yet on NQ. So someone commented under my 2-minute model video saying, I'm going to read this comment because I screenshot this. I backtested, forward tested this model on 3 a.m., which London Open, using FX replay for my 2024. Only 10 trades so far, and he got 90% win rate for 10 models. This means every single trade that he took, I mean, only one was losing trade. For May, he got 9 winners and 1 losing trade. So I don't know personally. You can backtest London, but this is what guy told me in the comment. You can backtest. I have no idea. Giveaway time? Oh yeah, let's do. Let's do giveaway, guys. Well, 10 seconds to enter giveaway, guys, and that's it. That's it. Let me bring this over here. I need to make this a bit. Okay. We got 264 entries from 2 to 264. Generate. First number 115. Okay. And winner is okay, found it. Seems like I know who it is, but it's okay. Let's see if I'm right. I guess I saw this guy in the chat before. First winner, guys, is right here. Second one. 198. Yeah. Congratulations. Congratulations. And last one. But don't worry, next week we will do more giveaways. 215. 215. 3 winners, guys, for today. Interesting nickname. Congratulations, guys. Happy for you. Yeah, only 3 giveaways. The next week we'll do more. So I never won something in my life. Never, ever. giveaways is I'm sorry. So that's. I'm going to delete this, guys, if you don't mind. Common 6. I'm simply not lucky, unfortunately. When on Monday, TradeZella winners, guys. By the way, I'm running a new giveaway on Twitter, so you can enter giveaway on Twitter if you want. This is another chance. But I also don't participate. So guys. So what I want to say. You will get a mail who won giveaway. I didn't see your what is your question? I'm sorry if you answer it. Um I'll ignore preferable to have SMT. SMT always good confirmation, but I normally call this like optional, Optional. What just happened? I don't know, like maybe news. Maybe something. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know like what happened. Guys, congratulations, winners. It's Friday. I hope you're going to enjoy your weekend. So I hope you're not going to make stupid mistakes today because it's Friday. So I will see you next week. Next month I will stream PM session. So actually for time distortion, I covered this topic and everything made them. I covered a topic about time distortion in my market maker model video. So don't forget to participate in TradeZella giveaway on my Twitter. I'm not going to trade PM session. It's Friday, so most likely, no executions today anymore. I already base hit, guys. I shorted gold, so I'm fine. Uh, no reason to take any trades, but I will see. Maybe personal account. Not sure. Not going to promise. I'm going to trade something. So, guys, I will see you next week. Wish you perfect the rest of day. Perfect weekend. Enjoy your day, guys. Bye bye.